They said it couldn't be done. They said the votes weren't there. But now House Democrats just proved them wrong, and Hakeem Jeffries is calling out Republicans by name, demanding an up or down vote that could decide the future of millions of Americans' health care.
The People's House has just delivered a decisive victory for the American people by extending the Affordable Care Act tax credits to prevent tens of millions of Americans from experiencing dramatically increased health insurance premiums. The Senate said it was impossible to do. But where I'm from, difficult takes a day, impossible takes a week. And in this first full week of the new year, House Democrats, every single one of us, joined by 17 Republicans, have partnered in a bipartisan way to protect the health care of the American people. House Democrats said from the very beginning that we would pour every ounce of heart, soul, spirit, and strength that we had to stand up for the health care of the American people and to address the affordability crisis that exists in the United States of America. I'm thankful for the resolve of the House Democratic Caucus and our partnership with Senate Democrats, who made clear for months, beginning in September, that our commitment was to fix our broken healthcare system and address the Republican healthcare crisis, beginning with the extension of the Affordable Care Act tax credits. I'm thankful for the leadership of Catherine Clark and Pete Aguilar and Richie Neal and Frank Pallone and every single House Democrat, including Lauren Underwood, who's been a steadfast leader and supporter of the Affordable Care Act tax credits, which are all about protecting the health care of working-class Americans, middle-class Americans, and everyday Americans. And that's what House Democrats will always be about. I'm thankful for the leadership of Senator Chuck Schumer and every single Senate Democrat who in December supported legislation for a straightforward 3-year extension of the Affordable Care Act tax credits. And we know that that legislation has a majority of support in the United States Senate right now. Every single Senate Democrat and at least 4 Senate Republicans. John Thune needs to bring the bill up for a vote immediately and stop playing procedural games that are jeopardizing the health, the safety, and the well-being of the American people.
What you're seeing here is a rare moment of leverage, and Hakeem Jeffries knows it. House Democrats didn't just talk about protecting health care, they delivered, extending Affordable Care Act tax credits and blocking massive premium hikes for working families. And here's the part Republicans don't want you to hear. Jeffries says every single Senate Democrat is already on board, plus at least 4 Senate Republicans. That means the votes exist right now. So what's the holdup? According to Jeffries, it's pure obstruction. John Thune is refusing to bring the bill to the floor, playing procedural games while millions risk losing affordable coverage. This isn't about policy anymore, it's about accountability. If Republicans believe in affordability, if they believe in protecting constituents, then the answer is simple. Bring the bill up for a vote and let the country see where everyone stands.